So today we are going to start a new lesson, lesson 18. So you take your GK book and open page number 27. In page number 27, today we have to study about the extinct animals. Extinct animals. So we are going to study today about the extinct animals. Extinct animals. First, you have to know what are the extinct animals. First, you have to know what are the extinct animals. So, animals which are not found today on the earth are called as the extinct animals. Animals which are not found today. They were found in the past, but presently they are not found on the earth. Such animals are called the extinct animals. These animals are completely eliminated from the earth. So now see the diagram of the different animals and try to identify these animals. So before identifying, we have to know the reason for the extension. Reason for the extension. Reason for extension. Reason for extension. Why these animals are eliminated from the earth? So first reason, habitat loss. Habitat loss. Habitat is the place or the habitats are the dwelling place of the animals. If the dwelling place of the animals are distracted, then these animals extinct. Next reason, introduced species. Introduced some species are introduced from other countries or other places. So these animals eliminated the native species. So this is called the introduced species. If suppose in this locality one animal was found, and if another animal was introduced in this locality from other locality, it may possible that this animal has eliminated the native animal. So this may be another reason why the native animals or native species are the eliminated. Next, pollution. This is a very important factor. Pollution is the undesirable change in the medium, and that may be harmful to the plants and the animals of that area. So due to pollution, many species are the eliminated. So pollution may also be cause of the extinction of the animals. And poaching. Poaching. In the poaching, many poachers are illegal, are killing the animals by the illegal way for the selling their skins, teeth and the flesh. So poachers are hunters. They poach, they kill the animals by the illegal way and sell in the market. By poaching, the animals are extincted. And climate change. Next on the climate change. This is another factors. Climate change also causes the extinction of the animals. So there are the many reasons and which causes the extinction of the animals. One reason is the habitat loss, other introduced species, next one the pollution, next poaching and next on the climate. So these are the factors which causes the extinction of the species. Now try to understand the diagram and see the diagram and write the name of the animal given in the diagram. Try to understand the diagram. So first you have to see the first diagram what is given. First one you have to see the first. So try to understand the which one, the first one. First you have to write the name of the animal, that is the um, in the help of the box it is given. In the from the box you have to select the name of the species as shown in the diagram. So this is first diagram is the Steelers sea cow. Steelers cow. I will write letter since it is the this pen is not working, so we can take another pen for the writing the answer. So we can write the answers for the now. We have to write next one. The this is the first one is the writing the first. What is this first? Steelers sea cow. Steelers so first is the Steelers sea cow and second if you want you can write here in the bracket you can write the in this way you can write this is the first and will be of the uh, will be correct, E will be correct and E is of the Steelers sea cow and second you can write second see the diagram second that is related to the B, it is the B and what is the B and you have to write saber tooth cat. Saber tooth cat and next one you third you see third you see diagram it is just like the this is just like a bird and C that related to it is the F, this is moa, this is the moa and fourth you see the fourth it is just like the rat having a big tail, but its four limbs are the smaller in comparison to the hind limbs. So fourth, you see here the Tolch olive. This is the C, and fifth, you see the fifth. Now fifth, having the correct is the great arc. This is related to the D. Name is the great arc. And six you see, and this is you are familiar to this diagram, you have seen many times, and this is diagram of the dodo, and six letter to the A. This is the dodo. Now see about the seventh. It is just like the elephant, and this is the mammoth. This is H. Name is woolly mammoth. Woolly mammoth. This is extinct. And last diagram, you see, this is the G, and it is Biji white dolphin. Biji white dolphin. So these are the list of the extinct animals. So you once again you try to understand, try to recognize these animals from the book. What diagram is given. So first you see the diagram is of the Steeler sea cow. Second, saber-tooth cat. Third is the moa. Fourth is the fourth that is the C, Tolchi, Welby, Wallaby, and fifth Great Ark, sixth Dodo, seventh Woolly Mammoth, and eight is the Biji white dolphin. So these are the list of the extinct animals. Next day we will study next lesson. Thank you. That's for today only.